Hello dear students, greetings from Raihana. Today I am going to take your English class. Are you ready? Welcome to my class. For class 5 English for today, I have one things for you. Do you like to see? Yes. Okay, now close your eyes. Now open your eyes. What do you see in my hand? Yes, you are all right. It's a ball. What do you do by the ball? We are playing. We are playing. Some boys and some girls are playing by the ball. It's a football. Now I have another things. It's also ball. It's a cricket ball. Some boys are playing by this ball and girls also same. Okay. Now I want to show a video. Do you like to watch? Yes? Okay. Now look at the screen. Please have a look. Have a look. Look carefully. What have you seen in the videos? Okay, I think everybody enjoy this video. Could you tell me what do you see on the screen? Could you tell me? Yes, all right. I think you can tell me. It's a varieties of games. Today we read sports. Page number 68, unit 17. Okay, please take your English book and open at page number 68, and our topic is sports. Today our topic is sports. Dear students, now we find out some new words from this text. Okay, let's have a look on the screen. Which word at first I find out? This is the word Olympic game. Which is the word Olympic game? Please pronounce with me. Olympic game. Now spell with me. OLYMPIC GAME. Again OLYPMPICGAME. Olympic game. Now we see what is the meaning of these words. The biggest sports name. The biggest sports name. Olympic games means the biggest sports name. Now look at the screen again. There are more than 30 games in the Olympic. More than 30 games in the Olympic. This is the Olympic flags. This is the Olympic flags. Now again tell with me. Olympic game, the biggest sports name. There are more than 30 games in the Olympic. Now moves on next word, world. Now please pronounce with me world. 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 Repeat with me, world. Now see the picture. This is the world map. This is the world map. World means earth. World means earth. Another similar word is earth. Now move on the sentence. The Olympic game is the biggest sport in the world. The Olympic game is the biggest sport in the world. Again, repeat with me. World. Similar word is earth. The Olympic game is the biggest sport in the world. Oh, excellent. Next word is competition. The boys is running. This is the competition. 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 Again, repeat with me. COMPETITION. Now see the similar word. What is the meaning of competition? A contest among many persons. A contest among many persons. Now move on the sentence. There have been 31 competitions since then. There have been 31 competitions since then. Now say with me again. Competition, a contest among many persons. There have been 31 competitions since then. Please look at the screen again. The next word is athlete. Now pronounce with me. Athlete. Now spell with me. ATHLETE. 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 Now see the similar words. Sportsman. He is a sportsman. You can see in the screen. Sportsman. Now see the sentence. About 30,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. About 30,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. Now move on the word again. Athlete, sportsman. About 30,000 athletes compete in the Olympic. Alright? Excellent. Good boy. Now next word, Greece. It's a country's name. You can see the map, the Greece country's map. Now spell with me. GREECE. 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 One country's name. Greece. It's a country's name. The first Olympic Games held in Greece. The first Olympic Games held in the Greece. Are you? Again repeat with me. Greece. It's a country's name. The first Olympic Games held in the Greece. The first Olympic Games held in Greece. This is the Greece country's map. Now please take your textbook and listen carefully. At first I read out this text. You only listen. Okay? After that you will read with me. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 30,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Okay, now read with me. Please everybody put your finger on the line. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, I think you are ready. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 30,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Okay, I think you can understood. Now dear students, please look at the screen again. Now you have a competition. You have to guess the letter. Which letter missing from these words? You can see three different words here. One is athlete, another is I don't utter, next one is I don't utter. Please try to find out which letter missing from here. You can 2 seconds, you can give 2 seconds, get 2 seconds. I think you have completed. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Now check your answer. Which letter omit from here? Which letter was omit from here? T. That means T. The missing letter was T, athlete. Next one is C and T. Okay. And the last letter is R. I think you are correct. You are correct because you are good students. Okay. Now move on next screen. Please take your textbook and try to read out this text silently. Okay. Have you complete? Yes, I think, because you are a good students. Read the text silently and find out the answer. How often are the Olympic held? Please write down in your khata. When did the modern Olympic begin? How many countries compete in the Olympic? Please try to find out the answer. Have you complete? I think you can find from your textbook. Now I have some WS questions for you. Please look at the screen. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. The modern Olympic Games began in 1896. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece. Here some words are underlined and you can see I underline these words by coloring of red color. First one is the Olympic Games are held every 4 years. You can make the sentence by the words every 4 years. And next one is in 1896 and third one is in Greece. Have you completed? Yes. Okay, check your answer. How often are the Olympic held? When did the modern Olympic Games begin? Where was the first Olympics held? Is it okay? All right. Now Let's match the words with their meaning. Compete, first one is compete, next one is athlete, and third one is host. But this meaning is not arranging, they are randomly I write down here. You have to find out which one is matching with these words. A person who compete in sports, is it right with compete? Athlete, a country is a city that arranges special events. Host, to take part in a contest. But it is not similar with these words. You have to find out which one is matching for these words. Try to find out. Hurry up please. Okay, now check your answer. Compete, to take part in a contest. Yes, you are right. Athlete, a person who compete in sports. A country is a city that arranges special events. Thank you so much. You are brilliant students. In the meantime, dear students, we have read out the sports. That means Olympic Games, where it is held. Which country at first, the host country was the host country, how many athletes compete there, what is the biggest competition. Is it right? I think you can understand. Now I have a homework for you. Look at the screen again. You will write 5 sentences about your favorite sports. You have to write down how many sentences? 5 sentences about your favorite sport, your own favorite sports. Okay, thank you so much. See you again next time. Till then, bye bye.